Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the SHOWKOO 3-piece expandable suitcase set in champagne. A travel set that's designed to be lightweight, durable, and stylish. Let's dig into what it offers and whether it's worth your next trip. 100% PC hardshell. This luggage set is made from 100% polycarbonate PC, meaning it's durable yet flexible, so it can handle bumps without cracking. Expandable design. When you need extra packing space, simply unzip and expand to fit a few more outfits or travel essentials. Double spinner wheels. With double wheels on each corner, this set glides smoothly in any direction, even in crowded airports. TSA-Approved Lock. The built-in TSA lock keeps your belongings secure while still allowing airport security to inspect your bags without damage. Includes 3 sizes. You get a carry-on and 2 checked bags, ideal for weekend trips, week-long vacations, or even family travel. Stylish and eye-catching. The champagne color is elegant and easy to spot on the luggage carousel. No more mixing up bags. Durable yet lightweight. Polycarbonate construction keeps the weight down without sacrificing strength. Great for avoiding airline weight fees. Smooth rolling mobility. The double spinner wheels make navigating terminals and sidewalks effortless. Limited internal organization. The interior has basic compartments. If you love lots of pockets and organizers, you might want packing cubes. Lightly reflective surface. Because of the glossy finish, it can show a few fingerprints and scuffs if not wiped down occasionally. In summary, the SHOWKOO expandable 3-piece suitcase set in champagne is a great pick for stylish travelers who want durability, convenience, and smooth mobility, all in one package. If you're thinking about upgrading your travel gear, click the link in the description to check it out. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews,